Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to match your makeup with your outfit. This is the ultimate guide to color coordination and style. I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that I learned from my own experience and from some experts in the field. By the end of this video, you will be able to create stunning looks that complement your clothes and your personality. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and leave me a comment below telling me what your favorite makeup and outfit combination is. Now, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to know is that there are three main types of color schemes that you can use to match your makeup with your outfit. These are monochromatic. This means using the same color or different shades of the same color for both your makeup and your outfit. For example, you can wear a pink dress and pink lipstick, or a blue shirt and blue eyeshadow. This creates a harmonious and elegant look that is easy to pull off. Analogous. This means using colors that are next to each other on the color wheel for both your makeup and your outfit. For example, you can wear a yellow dress and orange lipstick, or a green shirt and teal eyeshadow. This creates a vibrant and lively look that is perfect for spring and summer. Complementa. This means using colors that are opposite to each other on the color wheel for both your makeup and your outfit. For example, you can wear a purple dress and yellow lipstick, or a red shirt and green eyeshadow. This creates a contrast and a pop of color that is eye-catching and bold. You can use any of these color schemes to match your makeup with your outfit, depending on your mood and occasion. However, there are some things that you need to consider when choosing your colors. These are your skin tone. You want to choose colors that flatter your skin tone and make you glow. For example, if you have a warm skin tone, you can go for warm colors like red, orange, yellow, and gold. If you have a cool skin tone, you can go for cool colors like blue, purple, pink, and silver. If you have a neutral skin tone, you can go for any color that you like. Your eye color. You want to choose colors that enhance your eye color and make them stand out. For example, if you have brown eyes, you can go for colors like purple, green, gold, and bronze. If you have blue eyes, you can go for colors like orange, peach, copper, and coral. If you have green eyes, you can go for colors like pink, plum, burgundy, and brown. Your hair color. You want to choose colors that complement your hair color and make it shine. For example, if you have blonde hair, you can go for colors like pink, peach, coral, and champagne. If you have brown hair, you can go for colors like purple, green, blue, and silver. If you have black hair, you can go for colors like red, orange, yellow, and gold. These are some general guidelines that you can follow to match your makeup with your outfit. However, you don't have to stick to them strictly. You can always experiment with different colors and see what works for you. The most important thing is to have fun and express yourself. To give you some inspiration, I'm going to show you some examples of how I matched my makeup with my outfit using different color schemes. I'm going to use some stock images that I found online to illustrate my points. You can use these images as references, or you can create your own looks using your own makeup and clothes. For this look, I used a monochromatic color scheme of pink. I wore a pink dress and a pink jacket, and I matched them with a pink lipstick and a pink blush. I also used a pink eyeshadow and a pink mascara to complete the look. This is a very feminine and romantic look that is perfect for a date, night, or a special occasion. For this look, I used an analogous color scheme of yellow and orange. I wore a yellow dress and an orange scarf, and I matched them with an orange lipstick and a yellow eyeshadow. I also used a brown eyeliner and a black mascara to add some definition to my eyes. This is a very sunny and cheerful look that is perfect for a day out or a casual event. For this look, I used a complementary color scheme of purple and yellow. I wore a purple dress and a yellow jacket, and I matched them with a yellow lipstick and a purple eyeshadow. I also used a black eyeliner and a black mascara to create some contrast and drama. This is a very edgy and trendy look that is perfect for a night out or a party. These are some of the examples of how I matched my makeup with my outfit using different color schemes. I hope you liked them and found them helpful. You can try these looks yourself, or you can create your own looks using your own colors and preferences. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I post new videos every week on makeup, fashion, and lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!